Hi guys, this is a what's in the box for the Fairey Overdrive coupling sleeve overhaul kit. This kit contains all of the parts needed to overhaul and replace the drive coupling sleeve that fits onto the main shaft of the LT76 gearbox and the main shaft of the Fairey Overdrive unit. Okay, so quickly running through what you actually get inside the kit. You have a new gasket, a bearing and also the snap rings, a lock tab washer and that keeps the nut from coming loose, and a clutch sleeve. Now this kit is only suitable for the Fairey Overdrives that are fitted to the Land Rover Series LT76 gearboxes. It's not suitable for the LT95 gearbox applications such as those fitted to Range Rovers and 101 forward controls. This kit also isn't suitable for Toro Overdrive applications either. Now this kit is actually really handy if you've bought a second-hand Fairey Overdrive unit, because commonly they don't actually come with the components needed to bolt it onto the gearbox and get drive. If it does come with a coupling sleeve, the chances are that it's heavily worn and needs to be replaced anyway. The small splines on the coupling sleeve, this is where you generally get the most wear. And that is because when it's assembled, the Fairey Overdrive unit fits on this end here over the top of the small splines. And that means that it's not getting splash fed from any oil from the transfer box. So when you're assembling this together, try and be really liberal with the grease on the small splines. The larger splines on the inside, generally they don't tend to wear too bad. Okay, so there you have it. That's the contents of the kit for this What's in the Box, and we'll see you again soon.